I really like that on the 30-second right here. 30-second chart on Ninja. I really like that as a bullish move. Right there. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, I went in one contract there, 41.25. Hopefully it doesn't hold here because this could have just been a short. So to go lower. 41.25. Right there. Let's go 5 points. My stop. My stop is going to be 38.75. There's actually a 30-second fair value gap right here.
Order filled.
I'm buying 2. Move my stop up to 36.75. If I lose that, then that's fine with me. Looks like we're coming down. Probably gonna make a new low. What does NQ look like? See, trying to hold this. Trying to hold that level. I just need to see a good pop up for 5 points. Might have got a little bit ahead of myself. Should have waited. That right there is FOMO, right? All right, we can get it back up to a decent little break even, then I might cut it. Because I think this rolls. Yeah. This is a 4-point loss if it loses. So that'll be a $200 loss. No, I'm sorry. $400 loss. Yeah, it's going to roll. Shit. Let's
Target filled.
all right, I took one off. I'm gonna move my other one to new stop loss is 38.25. I actually took a small profit right there. And I'm actually gonna shoot for, I'm moving my target here to 50. Actually, let's go all the way up to 56. 56.75. 10-point move. Now that we've moved that far, I'm actually going to move my stop just above break even. If it comes back and gets me there, you know, having been that close to getting stopped out, perfectly okay with it. Because fair value gap, a little small fair value gap there. That was actually 5 points on both of those contracts. So if I hadn't have got out I got out for a little over a point there. So that was about a little over $50. But I am going to shoot for, I'm going to trail my stop up to 56.75. So I'm going to move my stop up to 41.50, which is right in 41.50, about right there. Probably going to move it up a little bit more there too. New stop. So let's see. This is probably a good place to take at profit. This is at the 5 points. So I'll go ahead and take it. 237.50 on that. Okay with that. We actually do get structure break here, and where my new stop is, where actually my entry is, looks like it's going to be a good entry for a second entry. Although we didn't break anything up here, and we're still kind of just bleh. So I'm going to be happy with the 237 on this trade, to be honest. I had a 4-point stop. The lows right here, I mean, look how close we got to my lows. 40-37, and my stops were at 75. So one tick away from being stopped out. And actually kind of liking this again. You know, if it continues on up into here, it is what it is. So the fact that I was able to snag $237 out of it, as a win. Take it as a win. So let's see what happens now. That's the reason why I didn't want to get too greedy with it up in here. So where did I take it? I took it at around 475, I think is about where I took it. It was a $50, a little less than 50 on the first trade. Let's see. You can see my entry and my exits right here. Yeah. So my entries and my exits. My entry was here, and then I had another entry here. So I had 2 entries right in there. And then it came down and almost stopped me out on both of them before then coming back up and basically slightly over break even. That might actually be only $12. Actually, it probably break even. So maybe $12.50 covered commissions on that. And then the second one is up here at $44.50. So, and if that second one is at 44, so that was a 4.5 point, that's $237. That's where I got the 237 at. So there we go. Kind of an unsatisfying yet satisfying trade.